First of all, advisors should realize that the boomers are entering into a period of their lives for which they need a great deal of help. People are worried about having their money go the distance. They're concerned about the well-being of their family. They're not sure if they should stop working or not, and if they keep working, will that help shore up their funds? And so having an advisor who can help them think all of that through, to envision their future, is important. Second, they want the advisor to lighten up a little bit on just talking about the numbers and focus a little bit more on their lives. Understand if they've got a special needs child. Understand if they're supporting their brother. Understand if they want to create a foundation and give their money before they pass away. So more attunement to people's lives. And third, trustworthiness. There's probably never been a time where people have been more in need of financial counsel and guidance and discipline. So not just someone who will say, oh, it's all okay, or everything will work out fine. To say, you can't afford that, or you're going to need to work a bit longer, or we're going to take a little bit more of a conservative path here so that you can get some sleep at night. Having an advisor who they believe is going to both tune into them, understand them, tell the truth, and be there for them in good times as well as bad times.